What's up, everybody? Want to do a little fruit roll? Might be able to get something. Usually just never gives you nothing good. Let's see what we can get our hands on. Watch, it's gonna be like the freaking blade fruit. Little spring. And keep that. Well, that's one of the parts that just when you pick random fruits, that's what happens. It's just some exploring, see what you get into. Going to the first island, exploring the second sea. So they got the new updates. Oh. Right here, wall, some little golds in it, some treasures. So the falcon, the barrier, or I guess it's called the forge now, and the falcon barrier, and I believe, oh, gravity, the gravity fruit, all have been like picked up, upgraded in progress. So, what do you guys think about that upgrade? I don't know. I don't really play with. I mean, I like the barrier. It was okay. I played with that fruit for a little bit. I did not like the falcon at all. It just did nothing for me. It did nothing. I'm gonna take one diamond real quick. Just get a quick couple, try to get a little level up. Yeah, that diamond fruit. And obviously, I grind with the blizzard till I can get to a kintsugi, or maybe even get lucky and get a dragon fruit, something better. I like the T-Rex fruit, but I don't think I want that as a permanent fruit. Had the portal fruit too for a little bit. Oh, he didn't respawn yet. Alright. Still on a new mission. See? Yeah, I'm pretty much past everything over here. I think right here is where Sea Beast comes out and attacks. But they rarely come. Need help with that. Trying to find Sea Beast and do all this battling. I sit here floating around, exploring areas, trying to get in some fights. And I think once I level up a little more and do some more PvP, just take on more people, we'll try. Hopefully he's here. And he's here. Let me get this gold. Get the treasure real quick. Let's get him started. I like the Blizzard Fruit. I know people don't play it. I know people they'll rarely see people playing with the Blizzard Fruit like that, but it does so much damage. If you combo it right, it does a whole bunch of damage. It's like one of the rare fruits that can just fly and hurt people. Look, boom. There's nothing. Let me go up to the island real quick. I'm really trying to fight the sea beast just to see. And exploring different islands. I want to try to level up as quickly as possible. Got a ton of meteor. Got a bunch of these meteors. I need to take one of these guys? Probably not the smartest idea. Who do I directly? I get my level up with the PvP. It says getting destroyed. I got destroyed a couple times just trying to play people. Like, what strategy do you guys do for leveling up? Do y'all just go after bosses, or do you just sit there and camp onto, like, smaller soldiers? Like, I'm relatively new to this game. I haven't been really playing Blox. This is all I pretty much play. Because I just want to level up. I started like a couple months ago. I just picked fruits and just like going through them. I was grinding really well with the light fruit, but I prefer this blizzard fruit over that. Well, wait a minute. I ain't got destroyed. Womp womp. Like, what fruits? I know everybody. I just see a bunch of Yeti, T-Rex fruits. They all just come for them. And this blizzard domain just does so much damage. It just wrecks them. Like, I don't know. Like, what fruits do you guys use? Man, I think we'll be more exploring than try to take on a boss or find some treasure. It's probably gonna be my end goal right there. Didn't see that coming. This thing, you just spam flying and then you get just boom. Just get them easily. But for the most part, I love Blox. This is a great game to play. Look at that. Boom. Leveled up already. I got ways to go, though. But yeah, I'll go do some more exploring, and hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe. You know, come join the party if you need. I'm staying on Roblox 345. If you ever look for me, could really use some help. Join groups. I don't think I'm a part of anything yet. So get some help leveling up. But for the most part, thanks for watching.